Hey all, out here going out of Dania, um, going offshore. This is my favorite time of the year, late April, early May. Should get into some things. Stay tuned, should be a good one.
So started out immediately jigging the ledge. First drop, hooked up immediately, and honestly had no idea what I hooked into.
What the fuck did I just hook? Had something small on. Not anymore. First drop with the jig. I forgot about my goddamn flat. I really don't know what I hooked. But he's throwing down big time. I'm gonna say Jack Crabal. That's my guess. On the old ugly stick. Whatever it is, it's floating. It's gonna be a big gag.
I'm just throwing all
gotta be a
sorts
big
of
gag.
guesses out. And I was wrong on every one of them.
I thought it'd be a jack, but yeah, Freddie, just in case. I don't know what this is. I guess gag. Down about 100. Marking them. Big amberjack. That's what it is. A big fucking amberjack. Holy shit. About whooped my fucking ass. Oh. God damn, dude. Chill, dude. Well, that was a fight. Still wants to fight. Alright, hooks up. God damn. Big old donkey. That is a waste of energy.
So, second drop on the ledge, hooked up again. This time it's something way more manageable.
Okay. Little off of this spot. Not that big fucking amberjack.
So this is now the third drop. There was hardly any current, so I was able to stay on top of these fish pretty good.
There we go. I think this is a lesser AJ. It could be a lesser or a small amber, but I think it's a small amber. But hey, we're getting them.
And this is the fourth drop.
Up again.
Needless to say, the bite was on fire. That is my first, this is my first scam. This is definitely my first scam. That's so cool. Definitely would have been a keeper, but gonna have to let this guy go, unfortunately. But yeah, fucking awesome. So we rarely get scamps in Broward County, and out in 250, would have never expected it.
Goes. I'm gonna say Almaco. Oh, he just got ate. He just got eaten. Hear it? He just got eaten by something big. Fuck. Oh, he got me in the rock. Yeah, got me in the rock. Broke off again, Jesus Christ. I'm gonna drop one more jig down. We'll see what we can get. God damn.
So I caught 2 more Almacos that weren't on camera. I don't know why my GoPro didn't record, but yeah.
Dude, he was getting so beat up down there. Look at that. Something had him real good. I left him down there and yeah. Jesus Christ.
So this was my last drop on the ledge, and something finally took my flatline. I did not expect what was to come.
We on, baby.
if you look closely,
Dude, that's a 100-yard run.
you can watch the spool just get smaller and smaller.
Oh my god. This could be a yellowfin, dude. Oh my god. This is what I've been preparing for. This is it. Oh my god. Going for a sleigh ride, baby. We're so deep in our brain, it's not even funny.
So I've hooked a lot of fish over the years kayak fishing. Been doing this for 14 years. Never had something dump that much line in the first run.
Sleigh ride. It's either him or a yellow him. It's going to be a long fight.
So at this point, I'm calling a buddy to just to let him know what happened.
Dude, I think I might have hooked a yellowfin. Dude, he took like a 200-yard run. I'm still hooked up. I'm off Dania. Not yet. Still early in the fight. Dude, he ran for a solid 2 minutes. Yeah. Not yet. I'm going straight out though. Dude, there's so much line out, I can't tell. Yeah. And it was a fast run. It was a slow take at first, and then it just started peeling. Dude, whatever it is, massive. Listen, I'm doing my best, okay? Huh? I had a flatline gog.
So at this point, I'm going about 2 miles an hour, just being towed.
Because you know how sales. Huh? 100%. Let me put it to you this way. I'm about a half full in a full braid reel. I see my mono ending on my reel. And I'm going 2 miles kingfish. Then all of a sudden, it's like, oh, there goes my mono top shot. I guess this is the worst time to say my mono top shot. Yeah, 40-pound leader to wire. 213. Started in 180. Yeah. And Dania drops off slowly though. Yep. This could be the one.
So I had
Go
to stop
away! Go away! I got a big fish running out!
it. This is about an hour in. Got on top of him, and he's just down there dogging me. I had this sailboat, start coming at me. And obviously, kayaker out in 400 plus feet, you're gonna investigate. So at this point in the fight, I have my reel and low gear. Thank God I have a 2-speed reel.
Been fighting it for an hour! Hooked it in 150!
This is why I have the 2-speed reel for this exact moment. And I'm just using my knee so I can create some leverage and not have to overwork my arms lifting this fish. I can get it inch by inch. But most of the fight was like this, just dogging me. At this point, it was just doing circles under me. We'd go out a little bit and then go under the kayak, out and under the kayak. And I would just slowly work them out. I'm amazed I accidentally pressed record and got this on film, but this was hour and 20 minutes in. He's digging back down, and I just applied a little bit too much pressure trying to stop him, or at least slow him down.
Now he woke up.
So it is what it is.
Fucking football.
I'll probably never hook a fish like that in my life. At least on the kayak.
Oh, I snagged him. That's what happened.
But it was a fun fight. Now to the consolation prize. But that fish took me from 180 to 495 and then back to 436 before braying me off.
No, I'm probably...
My thought is the fish swallowed my stinger and was just chewing on the mono,
I came out and you hear me fine?
just eventually wore through it.
And I wanted to do an afternoon trip because I figured the tuna would be here. Spoiler alert, they weren't here.
So at this point, I'm just blackfin fishing and just drifting a couple deep baits.
much more manageable tuna.
At this point,
My arm is fucking toast.
not
Holy shit.
not just my arms are toast, but my back and my arms, and where I put my rod on my knee, that was sore too.
There's the lead. He's off. See how big this fish is. He's a little baby. Oh, it's a fucking bonita, dude. Really? It's a fucking bonita. God damn it, dude. Thought it was him. Digging like one. No. Yep, just a bonita. And I'm not gonna lie, we're catching fish, and that's all that really matters, right? Alright, he's done. Unloose. Small one. Small one. But that's bait for Keys trip. So I'm okay with that. This is fun fishing, like.
So went out to do another drift and marked a massive school of tuna.
That's a tuna.
Dropped the jig down and didn't take long.
Nah, 180. Oh, this big fish. Dude, my arm is fucking toast. I wanted to hook. Yeah. Alright. See ya.
So I had to mute it here because I guess I was blasting music and I just forgot to turn it off. But yeah, you know, this entire trip's been great, but in the back of my mind, I was just thinking about, what I lost. But yeah, that fish, I'll probably remember that fight for the rest of my life. But not a bad blackfin. Certainly would be nice on any normal day.
Nice fatty, baby. Nice fatty.
Well, I don't know what to say. Like and subscribe. Till next time, see ya.